Hello students, good afternoon all. Welcome to my tutorial Python programming. Today I am going to start a new subject, that is Python, and I will start the chapter from the beginning. And for that I will use a software that is called Anaconda. It is very well known software, and as you can see the home screen of Anaconda is opened and there is a editor Jupyter. There's a lot of editor open, but I'll use the Jupyter notebook to execute the Python programming. Okay, so what I have to do, click on the launch option. This will not take much time. So the program that I'm going to teach you today, I'll accept the temperature in Fahrenheit and it will convert in Celsius. So the user will give the temperature in Fahrenheit and that will be converted into its Celsius degree. Okay, so here's the window. We'll click on new option, Python 3. It not take much time. Just opening. Here's the code. Here's the code. Now we will start coding over there. So first I will use a comment sign. Comment sign can be represented using hash. My program is to convert a temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I will write Fahrenheit to Celsius conversion. Okay. Next, I have to input the temperature in Fahrenheit. F is the variable where I will enter the temperature. Float. You must convert the temperature in floating point. This is the type class float float. Next, I have to accept it from the user using input method. Input method is a method by which you can enter any value from the user. Okay. Within a double quotation, I have to enter the message what user will enter. Enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay. Now this is the code. Now user has already entered the temperature in Fahrenheit and that is stored in F. Now I have to convert this Fahrenheit to Celsius. The formula is C equal to 5 into F minus 32 by 9. This is the conversion formula from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So user, you know this formula. Now the formula is converted and it is stored in the C. So C is my Celsius. Now I have to print the message. I will use a print statement to print the final message on the screen. Conversion temperature in Celsius, comma C. As my code is finished, so let's see whether it is executing or not. If there will be error, we can find out the error also. So run the code. Here is the temperature. I have to input the temperature in Fahrenheit. Say for 67.5 my temperature in Fahrenheit, that will be converted in 19.722. This is my exact conversion from 67.5 in Fahrenheit to Celsius 19.722. Okay, that's it. The code is executed fine. Hope students you have understand the code, and if you like the code, do not forget to subscribe, and if you think we need to modify or we can improve, you can comment your views in the comment section below. And also I have given a link of the source code in the description section, so you can download the code from the description section also. So please do like, comment and subscribe my codes. It's very important, and we'll use more and more programs and upload more and programs on YouTube. So till then, bye bye, have a good day.